Tired of store-bought juice? Let's make fresh, natural juice at home in minutes. Open the lid. Add your pre-cut fruits or veggies into the feeding chute. Close the lid securely. Press the power button and select the right mode for your ingredients. The juicer will start automatically after about 2 seconds. If ingredients won't feed down, gently push them with the pusher. Choose hard mode for firm fruits and hard vegetables. Choose soft mode for tender fruits and soft greens. Feed ingredients gradually for smooth juicing results. Press the power button again to pause or stop anytime. The machine will stop automatically once juicing is done. It's best to cut soft fruits into small pieces and freeze them for about 8 hours. First, install the ice cream filter. Then you can make smooth homemade ice cream. Soft fruits such as bananas and mangoes deliver the best results. Then select the ice cream mode button to start working. If the machine jams, don't worry. Press the reverse button to release stuck ingredients. Switch back to your original mode and keep making ice cream. Fresh juice, real flavor, made by you. Hope you enjoy your great juicing experience. Start your healthy routine today.